It's almost parade time.
I know how excited you are. 4th of July is your favorite. We're here at the parade. I bet there's even going to be a fire truck today.
You think it's gonna be a fire truck?
I pretty much guarantee
yes.
it. And what baby wants, baby gets.
No, I can't wait.
4th
I'm
of
so
July,
excited. Fire
here comes
truck,
the fire
4th of July.
truck.
You
Here
really
we
think
go.
so? Here they come,
I
here they
hope so.
come. Woo! Man, this parade sucks.
Yeah, that does suck. And I'll tell you what doesn't suck is TheSeatShop.com, where you can go buy
I can't
brand new leather
believe
seat
this.
covers to match your original
Fire
interior
truck, some
and
fire
replacement
truck in
Durfoam
this
cushions.
parade.
That way you can get your truck looking
parade
brand
you
new
think
again.
this is?
And it's going to
No
match just
fire
like the
truck.
factory original. And we're made in America.
God bless America.
And the seat shop.
Man, I think you started a fire.
I told you earlier, baby gets what baby wants.
Oh, here comes the fire truck!